The physical plant here is it's the same one that was in the 80s.
It's old. It's very outdated.
When you come to this building, you're not exactly welcomed into a place that feels safe and comfortable.
We've certainly have made efforts over the years. We've got a nice mural out in front.
When I come in, it's like a sad feeling. It's dark, there's no light, and I sometimes think, if I'm feeling that way, imagine the parents I work with, how they're feeling when they come in here.
Of course, in this whole building, the water is terrible. It's brown. You wash your hands in brown water. We have bottled water because it's just so bad. There's no, good air coming through. It's just hot. It's small. It's crowded.
I think it does send a message, and the message this building frankly sends is that we don't care much about it, and that perhaps that the business that happens in this building isn't much of a priority for people.
It is kind of disrespectful to families when you're having to talk about very private things in a moderately public setting, oftentimes in the lobby. And as you walk through the lobby, you hear things that really should be behind closed doors.
In detention, even though our building is not as old as the courthouse, there are some things that just weren't done right in the beginning. Our windows into our courtyard and our hallway, they leak. We have dripping water that comes out of the pipes. At night it's too cold, it's too hot in the summer. And I think the biggest thing for us is that we have no program space, not just the physical kind of defects of it, but we just don't have a lot of space to do programming for kids.
In 2012, King County voters approved the construction of a new Children and Family Justice Center that will replace the old building. So what does this new building do for us? It gives us the ability to kind of place our services in a fashion so that the youth and families have an opportunity to access it more effectively.
Someplace when parents have their children with them coming to court, there's changing tables, there's big bathrooms where they could take their children and change them, there's drinking water.
It will be a space that in and of itself supports and reinforces the message that we're trying to send here. That we care and what happened to you matters.
The whole goal about the Children Family Justice Center is about consolidating services, that families can come into one place and be able to get all their services here.
Instead of us giving you a list of, here's the numbers you contact, we're giving you, okay, and here's your appointment. If you're in need of other services, whether through public health or housing assistance, then let's bring all those services to bear. One umbrella where you can come and take care of all the issues that a family is often face, because when you come here, oftentimes you're in crises. Finally, we'll have a daycare center for families who come into our facility, and this is supposed to be about family. It is about family.